name is Ian Bundey from Advisory Services in EMEA. I'd love to share with you a really positive sort of retail experience that I had, which was really seamless. If you can imagine that I was sitting in my kitchen with my wife and we were cooking dinner. I had an email come through to say that I had the opportunity to pre-order a car. So I was reading my email as my wife was cooking. I clicked on the link which took me through, and I can go through the whole process of actually designing and selecting the options I needed for the car. I went through, I could pay for that directly through the application on my phone whilst chatting with my wife, and then explaining to my wife that yes, we've just bought a new car and we've got to trade your car in. The beauty was it was just a seamless experience compared to going into a showroom and having to go through the dance you would normally do with a car salesperson. I got exactly what I wanted. I know exactly when it's going to arrive, in all of the format and the payment options that I wanted. For me, it was completely seamless.